Hey guys, Blood Groove here. I just want to share with y'all one of my newest knives. It's a Benchmade, obviously. I got this probably about a month and a half ago, but it's just been sitting in its box. So before I start carrying it, I thought I'd show it to you before it gets all scratched up. As you can see, it's an Infidel, the 3300 BK 1901 limited edition model, 1151 of 3000. This is the bronze version, bronze aluminum. Of course, it has the black blade. This is really pretty. I like this better than the blue one that I saw as well. This is the 2019 model. Found a shop that actually had one of these still. And I believe the blue one, I guess it's from 2020, I suppose. I'm not too sure. But like I said, I just want to show this to y'all before I get it all scuffed up playing with it, carrying it. Pretty cool, I like it. Wouldn't mind finding that silver version to complement this as well. That I believe it's the 10th anniversary model from 2017 perhaps. I think those two would look really nice together. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day.